In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to migrate your WordPress site in GoHighLevel. We'll be walking through the migration flow step by step so you can move your existing WordPress website into the correct setup with as little confusion as possible. This process starts from WordPress.com, so make sure you're already logged into the account that manages the site you want to migrate before you begin. First, go to the Sites area in WordPress.com. This is where all of your connected websites are listed. Once you're there, find the site you want to work with and click on it to open its dashboard. Be sure you select the correct website, especially if you manage more than one, because the migration settings will apply to the site you choose here. After you've opened the site, look for the option labeled Migrate Site and click it. This will take you into the migration setup flow. WordPress.com uses this guided process to help identify where your current site is coming from and how the content should be transferred. On the next screen, click the option to pick your current platform from a list. This is an important step because it tells the system what kind of website you're migrating from. Choosing the right platform helps ensure the import process is matched correctly to your existing site structure. From the list of platforms, select WordPress. If your current website is already built on WordPress, this is the correct choice. It allows WordPress.com to prepare for a WordPress to WordPress migration, which is typically the most straightforward path for preserving your content and layout as accurately as possible. One important note before you continue. This migration option is available on paid plans. So if you don't see the feature, or if WordPress prompts you to upgrade, that's expected. You may need an eligible paid plan before you can move forward with the full migration process. Once WordPress has been selected as the current platform, click Migrate Site again to continue. This confirms your selection and pushes the setup into the next stage of the migration workflow. As you go through this process, take your time and read each screen carefully. Migration tools are designed to simplify the move, but accuracy matters, especially when you're choosing the source platform and target site. A small mistake at the beginning can create extra cleanup later. That's it for this part of the process. If you follow these steps in order, you'll be correctly set up to begin migrating your WordPress site through the available WordPress.com migration flow for your GoHighLevel related setup.